Lauren and Josh. Hi, sweetie. What are you tonight? Lauren? What are you? What's your costume? Are you a unicorn? A pretty... And Joshy?
Joshy, look at Daddy.
Joshy, what are you? Are you a little doggy?
Joshy, what does that doggy say?
A woof woof? Oh yeah, that doggy's like your friend.
What does that doggy say?
Lauren, I want to see you. I want to see you flap. I want to see you fly your wings. Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa, that's some serious flying.
Lo, you like those M&Ms? They're yummy.
Let me see. What you got? Some M&Ms? Mmm. Whoa, Joshy. Hey, Josh.
Say what? You want to? No, that's Will's costume.
Hey, Joshy. Hey, Josh. Josh. Hey, dude. Say bye-bye. Okay, bye.